Hey, how's it going? It's September 16th, probably September 17th by the time this video gets uploaded. But before we get to business on the recap of the NCAA football season, if you support the troops, go buy this book. If you got a chance to watch Sons of Guns' new season, episode 1 of it, this guy Chris Kyle, America's most decorated Navy SEAL sniper. This book's an awesome documentary, or autobiography, I believe you would actually call it. It's awesome. Anyway, got some fucked up losses in here. I'm not gonna beat around the bush, and I got some stupid picks that I made. For instance, Wake Forest, fucking plus whatever against Florida State. Yeah, what was I thinking? Matt Barkley, I'm pissed off at your motherfucking ass. Anyway, like I said, first pick, I won the money line with Florida State, so if you took Florida State in the money line, props to you. Wake Forest, yeah, I hope to God you didn't take that pick, honestly. I'm considering myself dumb for saying that. And Pitt surprised a lot of people with their win against Virginia Tech. And I lost that one as well on the minus 10 points. TCU won the money line. I knew they would. I'm not going to get it on there. Ohio State had the game. Well, they won the game, but they had the point spread with it. I won the money line pick, by the way, on that one. But Cal's running back, number 5, he brung them so damn close in the end. He came like 90 fucking yards on a little fucking bullshit play that should have been stopped a long time ago. I mean, that boy's props off to him. Just props to him. A lot of people didn't think Bama was going to get this one. I had Bama in the money line and minus 20. Arkansas was on the decline. The coach should have been fucking students and they wouldn't be in the situation. At least it wasn't supporting child pornography and all that shit like Joe Paterno was. But anyway, so yeah, I won that one. Really wasn't never really close. One of my favorite teams this year, Louisville. Bridgewater, watch out for that boy for Heisman. I even wrote this down during the game. Can't really see it because of the English. It says Bridgewater for Heisman. Watch out for the boy. He's great. Even in practice, he's 93% completions in practice. Even against air, that's awesome. Anyway, I won that one. I had them in the spread, won that one. Florida was plus, I believe, 3. And they came through and beat Tennessee. I knew that was a good one. I hope you bet big on that one if you did. One of my most loyal viewers wanted me to give him my feedback on this game. I really didn't. This is a pick I wouldn't do, but he wanted me to do the ULL and Oklahoma State game, and I told him ULL because, like, he told me, you know, Oklahoma State, everybody knows they lost their 2 best players last year. They're on the decline, and ULL's, they won their first bowl game last year and stuff, but that really wasn't a pick that I would have made myself personally. And that's Oklahoma State minus. That's the only way I would have did it, to be honest with you. Or in the money line, hell. Texas minus 10 against Ole Miss. That was a good win right there. That was a damn good win. Like I said, Ole Miss, they got to get players that can stay on the fucking roster for a fucking season before they can do something. I won this one. One of my other favorite teams, UCLA, minus 17 against Houston. And I took them in the money line. That wasn't on the video, the money line. I should have said it. I apologize for that. I got it right here, not on the video, but it was a personal pick. Handwriting's a little sloppy. My bad for that. But yeah, UCLA definitely, yeah. They're a good team. Trust me. Jim Moore Jr. knows what he's doing. Surprise game right here. Somebody told me what was I thinking. Apparently they didn't want ULM versus Arkansas last week. ULM, they did take Auburn in overtime, 2nd week in a row. I seen on during the game and watched it live. They got paid basically $2 million to play these 2 SEC schools. I think 1.5 and 900,000 to play Auburn, or something like that. 1.5 for Arkansas if you didn't know that. But anyway, yeah, ULM plus 15 definitely. Watch out for them boys versus Baylor. Watch out for it. People were hating on this pick. Notre Dame plus 5.5. Have you not watched Notre Dame this year? I said in my first video Notre Dame was going to be, well, my second video, the first one really doesn't count, it was irrelevant. But Notre Dame is the future. They got a great team this year. And they beat Michigan State. And I say take them in the money line and the point spread. Got a double win there on the bottom. Matt Barkley, you're on my pick ban. I'm postponing any picks with USC in them for 2 weeks. Cause one, I don't trust them motherfuckers now. Granted, Stanford's running back's the truth. Don't get me twisted on that. But they got Penn State's Silas Red, I believe his name. Excuse me, they got him. I gave a whole fucking speech about Matt Barkley. I hope your fucking girlfriend don't put out till after you get fucking married. I hope you don't get married for like 5 years. That's how much you fucking deserve to suffer. I lost $600 on that game. Fuck you, Matt Barkley. Fuck you. Yeah, just anyway. That's my recast. Oh yeah, and the money line parlay. You also fucked up my money line. Fucking shit. Lost I bet $200 on the money line parlay. And yeah, that did me real good, Matt Barkley. Fucking lost me some fucking money, asshole. But oh well, I'll make it back. Don't even worry about it. And you will too if you lost money. Trust me. So yeah, you gotta watch out for Ohio State. They had the point spread, but like I said, number 5 from Cal came back. He didn't give up. Props to him. Got a little bit to watch out for. Florida's looking damn good. ULM, they're playing Baylor. Can't wait to see the line on that one. Texas is looking good. UCLA is looking good. Notre Dame's looking good. Florida State's looking damn good too. And Bama is too. I think Bama was 128-14 in the first 3 games against their opponents. So yeah, Bama's gonna be good. Their spread line's gonna be high as fuck. It's gonna be harder and harder for them to cover, probably until they play LSU. So yeah, keep a lookout for them. Gotta hit them lines early before they get too big. Fucking shit dangerous. But anyway, that's my recap. Sorry I made some iffy picks, but I made some damn good ones too. And if you pay attention, you know which games I am guaranteeing, and I pretty much picked winners in my guaranteed bets, except fucking USC. I'm still mad about that shit. But anyway, stay tuned, stay subscribed, pay attention. I'm gonna try to do the next video early, probably around Thursday or Friday. Early Thursday or early Friday. So yeah, as soon as the lines get out, Thursday or Friday, I'm hitting the videos up. NFL recap video should be up after Monday Night Football, either late Monday night, early Tuesday, somewhere around there. So stay tuned. God bless.